G'day guys, Peter McIntosh from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a Honda Civic sound system. Problems you may be experiencing are touch does not work. Okay, that's something we can repair at Supertech Electronics. Tools you will need is an 8mm socket, a Phillips head, screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Okay, let's get started. So the first section we're going to remove is this section under here. Now it's just held in with clips. Ours is kind of loose at the moment, just for production purposes, but it will unclip just like that. And try not to stress any one point. And we can just unplug those and get them out of the way, just by pressing the middle pin and pulling back on the plug, just like that. Okay, so now that you've got this plastic cover out of the way, it will expose the screw there, which you'll need to remove, and this section here will unclip, and you can do that by giving it a bit of curry and putting it to the side. Okay, so now that we've got that out, this section here will unclip. So we're just going to, we've already moved the gear stick back so it's not in the way. We're going to just unclip that, and once again we're just going to set it to the side for the time being while we take out 2 screws holding the stereo in. Now once they're unscrewed, this whole stereo will come out. So grab your hand underneath, grab the top, support it, and just pull back on it like so, and that will expose all your electrical connections that you will need to unplug. So you've got to remove the top cable first to give yourself enough length to remove the other cables, and they're all really easy to remove. Press the button and pull the cable back. Okay, so we've unclipped all the electrical connections on the back. Don't be too concerned, they will only go in one hole on reinstallation. Now one thing you might want to do at this stage is take the radio out of this plastic housing. One, because it's got the hazard light switch on the plastic housing. Now that's really easy to do. You'll need to undo the 2 screws that side and the 2 there that hold it into the fascia. Same with the other side, and then that whole plastic surround will go back into your dashboard, so you've got a hazard light while you're away. Okay, so we've separated our head unit from the plastic surround. We've put that back in the dash so that the customer can still operate their hazard light switch. Now these are security coded, so make sure you've got a security code on the unit. It should be written in your owner's handbook in the glove box somewhere. That will be necessary for reinstallation. Now that you've got the radio out, it's ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.